What's going on, guys? So tonight I am actually pouring gas right now. I'm going to Ricky's house right now, and I want to show you something that we just got. Gas is so expensive. We're at Ricky's. This is Chris.
We got the drug.
What's up, brother? You got the drug, bro?
Right here, bro.
Damn, that's just icy, bro. Hell yeah. So, Ricky? Fuck yeah, bro. This shit is clean. I like it. Hey, Streetwise. JP, but do you have a site, bro? But do you? Damn, this shit's huge. Where are you putting this? What? Oh, where's the tea? Wait, yeah, where's the tea? Wow. Streetwise. I'll still run that. Oh, damn, that shit's sick. So on the 15th, we're gonna go drifting, and this is Ricky's prep. Hey, I thought you had different pipes on. Really? Oh yeah, I saw this. How much you get these for? 45?
Dude, fucking.
That's pretty cheap.
Sure Selected has them for 75. And plus shipping, everything comes up to like 120 for fucking gloves, dude.
120 for gloves?
Like, this is the same fucking thing. You just say Sure Selected right there.
Really? He's got the Iceyyyboyz backwards. This whole side.
Sick ass chrome, bro. I like this chrome better than the neon chrome.
Really? Vlog for a while, bro. What is that? What is that? What are you doing?
Putting her,
Don't put it on. Who?
That's a JC, the white one?
Oh, forgot his name.
And,
Is it Danny?
Yes, he bought
Yeah.
those. And, I found those for $200 and I bought them for $3. So like, okay, I'll make $100 profit out of it. That's what I paid for Chris.
You're really making those right now? I think you should focus on fixing this.
I was gonna use fucking that Philifoam shit, but
Jesus, bro.
keep telling me this looks fucking hard, dude.
Yeah, boy, what happened right here? You should fix that. This color is basically this. And basically this. It just does, it's because the fucking vinyl is all over it. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. It's pretty clean. Basically that. Look. Hey, that's pretty clean. I got silicone on my hand. Rip.
Dude, I think I posted it like way too hard.
Yeah, bro. These are what, likewise? Oh fuck, these are sharp, bro. Can you just twist them off, or you use a wrench? Oh, you can twist them off. I can't, it's too tight. But bro, look at that.
Bro, somebody fucked with mine.
Fucking sharp as fuck. There, Rick Star. So we're back home. Got all the banners in. Got multiple of them. And I'm most likely gonna be selling them. But in the meantime, I'm probably gonna give it to the homies, or I don't know. But let's see how this looks. Damn. Maybe I should have done a little bit bigger, but not too shabby. final product. Hell yeah. It's starting to look like how I want it. I mean, the banner wasn't that big, but it's actually perfect, honestly. Let's go take a... I will show you right now how it looks close up. So right now, this is what it looks like. Close up. Oops. It's mirror finish. So you can actually see. So I actually really love this color. I measured perfectly the first time I put it on. Maybe the characters are kind of too small, maybe a little wider, but you know what? Fuck it, it's perfect to me. But look at that. You can see the reflection of the camera. Stand dead center. It is dead center to me. Maybe a little bit crooked that way, but fuck, it's fucking beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Can't really see on the camera how. Look at that. If you guys want a banner, please head to the website. It is, oh shit. Alright, drove this thing for a while. And yeah, usually I have 2 people helping me out, or me and someone else helping me out, but yeah, fuck it. That's why I stood on my car. Easier way to get it done, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys want them, head to the Big Cartel right now, iceyyyboyz.bigcartel.com. Cop it. It will be sold out soon. What's going on, guys? New morning, new day. Right now I'm gonna change the oil for the daily because the drift event is in 2 weeks and I haven't changed it, and I already went 5,000 miles. And I want to pull this thing out and see how the banner looks in the sun, or in the light. But let's get to it. Baby, it's not really in the light. Kind of want to see it in the light, but you could see the reflection of the banner. Shit is tight. Don't forget to go to the website and order one. Look at that oil. It's super black. Rip. Look at that shit. I also have to fix this stupid wire in this bit. I think these are for the lights on the side right here that wrap around the crash bar right here. And I guess it just fell off. I don't know where I'm gonna reposition it. Let me see. Shit. So what's funny is me and my dad use this oil pan, like it's like perfect amount for how much we put in, how much oil we put in, and like I feel like it's too perfect. It's like literally at the top. Fuck. Ah. Ah. So it's literally at the top. I have to look for a, what's it called? A washer for the bolt, because it's been leaking on my driveway. So we gotta find that. Found 2 in the toolbox. Let's hope it doesn't leak anymore. Shout out to Gus for giving me a oil filter. Usually I do not go and get oil filters like this, like Fram and stuff. I usually have OEM oil filters. My dad likes to buy a fuckload of OEM stuff when they're on sale. You should see they're all right here. But these are for the truck. And this is for the Camry. But yeah, but fuck it, because I need to get this done in 2 weeks, so for the track, so let's get it. Houston, we have a problem. It's a fucking puddle. Fuck. Fuck. It was when I took off the fucking old ass one. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, Lexus. Why the fuck do you put a fucking holder right here where I have to get my shit out? Fucking. Fuck you. So the oil change's done, everything runs perfect, and hopefully it won't leak again because they didn't have a washer. My dad's gonna kill me, but fucking lit. And I don't know what's next. Right now, I probably have to look at the spares, how many spares I got, so I could drift on. And this is all I got right now. I got 2 right here. I have 1 in the car. 3 actually. So I have 4 total. This is the MR2 wheel, so it's the fucked up one. So I have 4 wheels to drift on. Dallas said he has a tire I could use, but that means I would have to find another tire, another wheel. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. That'll be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys liked the banner that we just made. So we do have stickers still in stock. Don't mind my floor. Yeah, we still have stickers in stock, and if you guys buy one, I'll send a couple for free with your purchase. And yeah, I hope you guys like the new banners, and we have limited supply, but I can always make more if it does sell out. And I hope you guys liked the video. So by the end of this video, hopefully we'll have 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. There's more things we're gonna be putting out, more footage, and we also have a drift event on February 15th, so be prepared for that because I will be vlogging, I'll be drifting, like I said, and all the other homies will too. So you better be ready, it's game time, I'm out!